Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into your StateFarm account. To log into your existing StateFarm account, the process is quite easy, so watch the video till the end. To get started, first of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in statefarm.com and search. Once you get to the official website for StateFarm, go to the upper right corner and click on the login button. In the login page, enter your user ID and password. Make sure to type in your user ID correct, and then make sure to type in your password as well. If you don't remember your credential, click on Trouble Logging In and follow through the instructions. Finally, click on Login and you will be able to log into your StateFarm account. So that is how you will be able to sign into StateFarm in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.